Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ace and today we're diving into another Excel basic. Make sure to stay tuned until the end for all the details. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Alright, let's jump right in it. Today we'll be learning about the text to column feature. This feature allows you to split text into multiple cells or convert numbers to text. Let's look at a few examples. First, converting numbers into text. In a real-life setting, this will be often used on barcodes or item numbers. In our first example, select the cell that you would like to have converted. Then go to Data tab and select Text to Columns. By default, the limited option is selected. Go ahead and press Next. By default, the tab delimiter is selected. Go ahead and press Next again. Finally, under Column Data Format, select Text and press Finish. Now, the number in your selected cell has been converted to text. These steps can also be performed on multiple cells at a time within the same column. To convert back, simply select your cells, go back to Data tab, Text to Columns, and press Finish. Second, let's say you have a column that contains information that has been previously concat or data set extracted has your information combined into one single cell. For an in-depth tutorial on what concat is and how to use it, click the link above. There are two options to split this information into a more user-friendly layout or simply cleaner view. Number 1. Your cell string is delimited by a specific delimiter. In our example, a semicolon. Same as in the first example, select the cells you want to split the string. Go to Data tab, Text to Columns. On the first screen, make sure that the delimited is checked by default and press Next. On the second screen, this time around select Others in the delimiters and type in the semicolon in the box next to it. As you can see in the below box, you will have a preview on how your data will be presented after performing this action. And now simply press Finish. What used to be one single string is now split into 3 different distinct cells. For our second option, your cell string has a specific structure. Same as in the first example, select the cell you want to split the string. Go to Data tab, Text to Columns. On the first screen, this time we will select Fix Width and press Next. In the second screen, we go ahead and select exactly where we want our delimitation to be and press Finish. Once again, this only works when all cells in the column have the same string structure. Otherwise, the split will not work as desired. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found it helpful and leave a comment down below for any help you might need or next tip you would like to see.